Hello friends, in this video I will replace this laser unit of this Blu-ray player. Let's begin. I hope that you have seen my previous video about this, when I open this and I clean the lens of the laser, but this didn't work. And now I bought another unit and I will replace it. And I hope that now will work. Good. It's the same model. Let's hope that we are lucky. Now let's make a test without the TV to see if can read the disc. It should spin the disc and read it. It seems it's working. Let's play. It seems it's working. Now let's test on my TV. Now I've connected this Blu-ray to my TV, and it seems that the Blu-ray managed to read the disc. Now let's play. It seems now it's working. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.